What's the best power bank for the new iPhone 11 Pro? Plus, how do you fast charge all of your devices, including Android? I have that deal. It's $13, and it's coming right up. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I am very soon, shortly, giving away an iPhone 11 Pro in an upcoming video. I'll explain to you how to get eligible for this giveaway. Just scored this. I want to make sure you do the same. And your ability to score a $13.13 instant on fast charge power bank from Polaroid. One of my favorite deals today on mattsdailydeals.com. I'm going to show this to you in action. A reminder that I do use affiliate links, so I do get compensated for the work that I do here. If you use one of those links from mattsdailydeals.com, I will be forever grateful. I hope you'll at least appreciate the fact that a power bank that's typically close to $40 is $13 right now. That's thanks to the magic of a deal drop that I found. I actually profiled this a while ago. It's rugged, it's durable, it gets the job done, and it simultaneously powers two different devices. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to show you where to find this on sale. Beautiful power bank. Really like the design of it, very rugged, and it has a great output given the price. Yes, you're gonna find more powerful power banks, but not at $13.13. This also has a smart ID technology where it identifies the device that is plugged into it, and that helps ensure there's no overcharging and it always charges safely. It's also Apple MFI certified, which is great. You charge this with its included micro USB plug, but for anything else, you just simply plug into the fast charge or the standard port, and this is all you need to do. So let's charge the iPhone XS. It's already charged, but it is powering the device. You can see through the LED indicators how long of a charge or how much juice is left in the power bank. And with the second available port, let's charge the iPhone 11 Pro. And this is one of the iPhone 11 Pros that I'm going to be giving away, except yours will be in the box. It's now powering this. iPhone 11 Pro has higher demands in terms of power, and this power bank can differentiate between what's plugged into it. On top of that, let's say I want to unplug the iPhone XS and start powering an iPad Pro. Even though this is charged, you'll note there is enough power on here to charge both the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPad Pro simultaneously. Head over to mattsdailydeals.com. Don't forget to join my email deal list. If you're not on it yet, you will be notified of upcoming deals that you will not find anywhere else. And crazy prices. Of the products that I'm profiling today, just click on the Insta Power Smart Power Bank. This is a really great limited time offering. These are the specs of the product, and all you need to do is, get ready, click Buy Product. That'll take you to the merchant's site, and then from there, you have a $35 deal down to $13.13. Plus, depending on when you're watching this, your choice to actually select a color option. Oh, and my goodness, these items are running out in terms of stock. Add it to your cart. You will score $13.13. Free shipping as well, and I highly recommend grabbing a bunch if you can. Just great to have around. Basically, for less than the price of the charge cable you're going to need to charge your phone with, you get an entire power bank, great stocking stuffer for the holidays, and something that you can use in your glove compartment while you travel, while you commute. Awesome! So when you take all of those great factors into account and the fact that this is able to determine the charge needed for whatever device to which you're plugging into here, and the fact that this is something that you can take anywhere with you, it is a very small size. It is exactly the same size as the iPhone 11 Pro. Identical. It's a little bit thicker, but look at that. Very interesting. It's like they're friends. That's me applauding the deal. $13.13, great grab. A reminder, if you are watching this after the fact, weeks after I've uploaded this video, the deal will likely be sold out. That could actually happen a day or hours after I upload. I can't control the prices, but if you do want to make sure you never miss another future deal and that you remain eligible for all my big freebies, which I'm so excited about returning very soon to this channel, this is what you can do. Click on my oversized head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.